Hi guys!
Hello, hi guys! Welcome to our rig rundown.
Ayan.
Do I have to turn it on?
Yeah. Anong
Yeah?
gamit mo, Sir Ian? This is Ian Gilas.
Sector Music Min. Of course, I play second guitar to my first guitar over here. So,
Hey sir, ano?
how do you want to start?
Anong gamit mo ngayon? Anong gamit?
So, this is my guitar, Sterling Luke. So, simple, 2 humbuckers, tapos merong DB boost.
Nice.
Or if kailangan ng konting boost. Tapos, it goes through Peterson. Teka, kailangan natin. Strobo Stomp tuner. Tapos I use the SD1 for just to push the amp a little bit. But when I'm using the clean channel, I use the MK3 driver. Para siya yung
Ito ang distortion.
Yes, just a little bit.
A little bit of dirt.
Parang blues driver.
Yeah, tone.
Yeah. And then meron akong rotary.
Wow, nice.
Pang-ingay. Pero actually, I got it for the lights. I should have just gotten Christmas lights, di ba? Kasi ito, tinuro ng bossing natin. Imbis na, what do you call it?
Boost.
Ka, EQ na, para you can do something else pa. Just, hindi lang boost, di ba? Kasi ito yung channel switcher.
Yeah. Okay.
That's right now, it's being powered by
battery powered. Wow.
Mura lang yan. So far, hindi pa namamatay. Pero we'll see. I have 2 expression pedals. One's controlling volume.
Okay.
And then the other one is controlling the delay on my
expression ng delay.
On my halo.
Yung halo. Ayun.
Yeah. Tapos dito nga pala, it goes in the
meron pa dito.
Nasa send return.
Send and return sa amp.
So, I have 2 choruses kasi gusto ko ng chorus na hindi halatang may chorus.
Okay.
So, it's parang almost dinodouble niya lang yung tunog. So, that's why I got this one. Pero when I do my clean, it's the dimension.
C. Parang 80s chorus.
Yes, sir. Tapos, basically, kinokontrol ko yung
EQ,
tone ng amp ko dito sa EQ. Tapos, may halo. Ayun.
Yeah. Dual delay. Reverb delay.
I'm just using the pangalan nito?
Church, special.
Hindi yung preset ni
Timothy. Andy Timmons.
Yun lang kasi parang sakto na siya eh. Hindi ko na kailangang anuhin yung depth, yung repeats, everything. I like it the way it is na. So tinitrim ko na lang yung effect niya with the
expression pedal. Tapos ito yung gamit natin.
Kasi it goes into the
Mesa
Badlander.
Nice.
Ayun.
Okay.